it's your girl Strawberry. Yes, that's straw as in berry. And I am back with another video. I can be your sunshine. I can be your sunshine. I can be your angel. I can be your angel. I can make you smile for a lifetime, baby. Yeah. So y'all, I decided to go short for a couple of days because I was just kind of over the long hair. It was long, and every time I wipe my ass, boom, hair. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna take a couple day break, you know what I'm saying? And I found this old guy, and I said, hey, old guy, let me see what I can do with you. And bam, this is what I did with him. You feel me? So for this video, I am gonna do a voiceover because while I was recording, I was doing some other stuff, listening to my music and stuff, so I was in a little vibe because this is difficult, but I got it done. If you are interested in seeing how I brought this old wig back to life, then keep on watching. So y'all, the first thing I'm going to start off with is my old friend Bob, and we're gonna get him together today. Yes ma'am. What the fuck is that? Okay, so I'm not gonna wear a stocking cap for this video because I'm only gonna leave this wig on for like a day, so I'm not gonna trip. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fit this on to my head. I look like Frankenstein. I look like Frankenstein. I look like Frankenstein. I look like Frankenstein. Ugly as fuck. Okay. So, yeah, now I'm going to just use Got To Be Glue today because it's not, you know, I'm not going to leave it on for that long. So I'm going to use the Got To Be Glue this and the Got To Be Glue spray. And I'm going to do 2 coats. So after the first coat, put the glue on and then put the spray on. Then you want to blow dry that thing. Okay, now that I'm done blow drying it, I'm gonna go ahead and fit the wig to my head. It's already kind of cut to my head, so, you know, I'm gonna just stick it on. Bow, bow, just like that. So now that I got it down, I'm not gonna worry about styling it just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my do-rag so that I can dry the front of it so it won't slide back off my forehead. Pizza rolls, they're amazing. Spicy nacho Doritos. They're the best thing I ever tasted in my life. Amen to that, Strawberry. Okay, so now that the wig is dry and on, now I'm gonna go in to do something with the edges so it's not like, you know, forehead hair. Y'all know I can't do no baby hairs, so we're gonna see how they turn out. You know, I do swirlies. And don't worry about the white flakes. I'm gonna get them off with some alcohol and a little cotton ball. So I'm gonna use my Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm gonna just slick it down a little bit. And I do use the mousse so that it's easier for me to style my hair. So I'm gonna just attempt to style my baby hairs a couple different ways first. And I'm gonna blow dry it some more because I did put some mousse on it and it kind of made the Got To Be Glue lightweight slippery. So just blow dry it down. I don't know why I keep taking these baby hairs to the side like that's where it goes. But we gonna fix this problem. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Boom. Swirly. You already know what's up. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it one more time with my do-rag on. I don't know what the fuck happened to the front, but it's okay. We gonna fix it later. I'm gonna put my scarf on so I can flat iron my hair while the front is still just held down. So I'm gonna take some little bitty rubber bands and just section my hair off so it's easier for me to flat iron. So that's what y'all gonna see me do for a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut my mouth. And I don't really know how to flat iron hair that good, as you can tell in this video. Y'all is with me. I'm test trialing this stuff. I am not a beautician, sweetie. I'm just don't have no money to pay nobody to do my hair, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna show y'all when I do it. So I'm doing the best that I can. Okay, we getting somewhere. I ain't looking like Frankenstein no more. I'm gonna go ahead and use just a little bit more freeze spray so that it can lay down like all my little flyaways and just, you know, stay down. And bam! Damn, girl. She look good as fuck. So, this is the finished look. Amen. Oh, wow. Yes, this is the finished look. I think I did pretty good. You know what I'm saying? For what it was. For what it is now. But y'all can't even fake. Y'all can't even play. Y'all can't even act like none of that. Keep it real. 100, 1,000. Hey, I take it. Real cute. So it's been real, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, drop a comment at the bottom, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, berries.